little buddy. Hey, yo. Fisher, what are you doing hanging out the window?
I'm holding on.
All right. Hang on. What is that? Whoa, Sally. What's that? Someone cut bait up there? Yep, it's squid. Yummy. Who dares me to eat a piece? Yummy. It's a yummy. Papaya. John Lloyd Park. Here we go. I remember this is where it all started. Let's see what this is. Fisher's on the loose. It's on the loose. What is this? Holy shit. Holy sheep shit. Holy sheep shit. Westlake Park. We found the plans for the project location. Holy sheep shit. We have all the plans. We're gonna hold them captive for a reward. Fisher, look at this. I found the plans for the park and we're gonna hold it captive for a reward.
Oh, I see a puffer down there.
Yeah, you see a puffer? I found some bait.
I see two.
We're gonna save this for later. We're gonna look at this on the boat. Extra secret, top secret. Here comes Papa Duck. Yeah. Hey, you see that? I found some bait cut up on the top of that pylon.
Can you get my stuff ready, Joey?
Get your stuff ready. We're going out diving. We're gonna do that when we get back.
No.
Well, you're gonna have to discuss that with your daddy.
Dad, Joey said I can't catch any minnows.
We'll give you a few minutes while we get ready,
All right.
just because.
Hey, I found some bait up here.
You did.
Yeah, it looks like it was fresh cut last week. Some camarons. They
Where?
call them squids. I remember I paid $20 to eat these from Lagrange last night out in Dave, Florida.
Stuff ready?
They had some sauce on it, some garlic, some onions. It tastes pretty good. Fisher, take a look at it. Oh, good boy, you pulled it in.
Joey, I need help.
You got this, buddy. I'll help you. There you go. Go get it. Hey, Fisher, look. There's some bait up here, some squid. You want me to pull it off, put it in the water, it's bait up?
What is this?
It's plans for the park. We have them, so I was going to hold them captive. Have a reward. Think I get a reward for that, sir? Or leave it where I found it?
Interesting. I would just leave it there.
You might like it. It has top secret evidence on what they plan to do with the park after they get out all the squirrels and all the iguanas and all the queers and I didn't say that. I meant all the.
I would just, somebody obviously dropped it, dude.
Yeah, we might need to hang on to it and turn it in. Take a sniff. Woohoo! Smells like raccoon cooter. Ooh,
Oh yeah.
booyah. Booyah baits. Freshly fried. Here, I'll put in some chum. Oh, look at the oil coming off of that.
Huh?
The oil coming off the chum.
There's a lot of puffers over here.
Yeah. There's some minnows out here.
I know.
Here, they're the minnows over there. You see them on top? Right here, Fisher. Walk out in front of them and then get them to go up to the shallows of the...
Oh, I missed the...
Uh-oh.
Do I have little ones?
Yeah, I see him. I see him. You got one? Put him in the bucket. Put him in the bucket. Good job. Turn it upside down. You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay. You put some water in there.
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Ike, turn your net inside out. Hurry up. Hurry up. Push it all the way down.
I'm trying to, but I can't.
Yes, you can. You gotta.
I can't get them.
You're squishing it.
But how do I get them out there?
Here, let me see. There he is, right there. Hold the camera. Just hold it.
Okay.
Push him down. There you go.
He's dead.
Well, you had him. Now it's just looking at me with a...
Now let me catch a new one. Don't have any. Don't have any.